Bitcoin next price target is 35, 34K. Is this the real price target, or is this only a pump to 30K? And we will see right now a big breakdown, bratans. This is what we will speak, and yesterday I told you Bitcoin 80% chance of a mega pump, and no, I'm not Nostradamus. This was a statistic of the full moon, new moon phases, because statistically when we have full moon, the statistics show us that there's a 70 to 80% probability of a pump, and this perfectly worked out. So congratulations to everyone who saw yesterday this video, and I show you also in a second my trades. Let us quickly watch here. Is this a sustainable pump to 30K, and we will see 34K next price target? So in my opinion, first, let's speak about first the worst news. The worst, or I mean, it's not the worst in my opinion. Absolutely not the worst. In my opinion, it's realistic and clear and a big opportunity. Like I told you, it's a clear. This is not a bull market. We will not see Bitcoin at 80K. In my opinion, not a financial advice, because we see on total crypto market cap, the total crypto market cap is going down while the RSI is going up. It's a very clear sign of a bearish divergence, and we will see Bitcoin breaking down and the whole crypto market. This is also how we identified the bottom, because we watched here the previous 2018 top, and I told you as soon as we reach here the previous top of the 2018, this will be the bottom, and we reach it here in October 2020, January 2023, and this was the bottom. And then we saw Bitcoin pumping. So this is a very clear indicator for us, right? Also S&P 500, we see massive bearish divergence coming in. Right now, internet is not working. So we see also, wait a minute. We see S&P 500 massive bearish divergence. We see Bitcoin massive bearish divergence on the weekly. We see total crypto market cap and S&P 500. So this is very clear. We will see a massive dump. In my opinion, this is a massive opportunity for us, because we are taking advantage of this relief rally, as I told you, since weeks, and we will take profits. And if, or as we are expecting, Bitcoin whole crypto market will go down in Q3, Q4. Also, this is the same what Michael Burry said, because the Fed is printing money to rescue the banks and so on, right? So we're getting into a hyperinflation. This is the reason why we'll see also the Fed will tightening even more, and the interest rates will go up, and we will see even a bigger dump in the market, right? So this is amazing, because we can buy even cheaper Bitcoin, Ethereum, FXS, Aave, and so on, all the coins which we are speaking in the Telegram group, right? So this is amazing opportunity for us right now. Let us right now speak about how much advantage we can take of this pump. Is this sustainable pump to 30K, 35K? Man, my internet here is not so working so good. 1 second, I have to check again. Okay, yeah, now we are back. So, in my opinion, it's very clear. The price target, that's also what I wrote also in Telegram group. We have here the symmetrical broadening wedge. I hope you didn't forget it. I told you, you measure it from the top, from the last top, how it called, top, you understand, and the previous low, right? So the previous low was here, right? So technically price target, we go to our breakout, which was here in March somewhere, and technical price tag is around 34, 35K, right? So this price tag is still on. In my opinion, we could reach it, but what it depends right now here on this daily. It depends, will we close this daily candle? Will we close it clearly above 29,600, 29,500? Then, in my opinion, we will create here a clear new bottom, right? So, why it's not, why am I blind? 1 second. Why it's not drawing here? Because maybe it's, what the fuck? Why am I blind? Okay, doesn't matter, it's not working. Suka, блядь, that's because of the internet. So maybe we're creating here a new bottom, which would be amazing. Because why it would be amazing? Because then I'm expecting here Bitcoin to consolidate. This would be amazing. Why it would be amazing if we would see Bitcoin consolidating? Because then we would clearly make a very strength support, new support line around 30K, which would mean, as for the 1 point, it would mean that as as long as Bitcoin consolidating, we will see altcoins spiking up like Aave, FXS, and so on, right? And the second benefit of it, it would be we would create a very strong 30K support here around 29,500, which would lead the way up to 34 or 35K, right? So from here on, it would be 13-14%. So I show you again my, or not again, I show you now my positions. My position here, my Bitcoin long position is 167% profit, 825% profit. My Aave position is right now 4% in a loss, $230 in a loss. I expecting, in case, I would take right now profits in my opinion, if you are in a long. I expecting Bitcoin here to consolidate. And if Bitcoin consolidate, I'm expecting Aave to run. Aave, wait a minute, we'll speak in a second about Aave. Be careful. Take here profits and make sure if you stay in the long that your stop loss is still below 25 or 24K, because this is our big support lines, weekly support lines. This is very important in my opinion, because obviously we could see here a breakdown to the monthly daily support and to the weekly supports before we see run to 34K, right? I don't expect it right now too much. However, just be safe, in my opinion, take profits and set your stop loss below the weekly support lines. So, Aave, let us quickly watch Aave, because I'm in long of Aave position right now. Here we are going to Aave, and Aave is right now near my entry position. At $80 was my entry position. Wait a minute, the internet is very bad. Okay, it takes too long, but I can explain you like this. Aave, I expecting the technical price target of Aave. I showed also in the Telegram group. Okay, I don't have it open right now. Maybe I open it here. I show you. Aave is right now in a symmetrical triangle, which is very bullish, because if Bitcoin consolidating or pumping, we will see Aave start running. Here I have it even open. Wait a minute. Here I have this in our private group. I wrote you. Here we have Aave right now in a symmetrical triangle, right? And you measure also here from the top to the downside, and the technical price target is here around $170. So this could be an amazing long opportunity. However, not a financial advice. I would set my stop loss below the symmetrical triangle line, and the technical price target is around $170. Right? It would be risk reward of 2.5 to 2.49. In my opinion, this is amazing. However, do your own research, bratans, because obviously if Bitcoin breaking down, we will see also Aave breaking down, and even more, because altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in a pump but also in a dump, right? So this is very clear. My Aave position is still open here. Aave, I'm very bullish on Aave, but also I'm very bullish on FXS. I bought a lot of FXS, right, where I showed you also here. FXS I bought also a lot, because FXS are expecting to go, if Bitcoin consolidating or pumping, further to $10.50, even to the next price like $40 and $17. So FXS is another altcoin which I'm expecting to explode, because it's usually what happens. First Bitcoin pump, then we see altcoin pumping, then we see all the small shitcoins pumping, right? So therefore, be prepared for this, bratans. But what we have to watch today and in the next day, that Bitcoin will stabilize at this 30K area. This would be amazing, right? Bratans, you asking yourself how you can join my Telegram group. This is absolutely for free. I have a free Telegram group, and I have a Discord channel where you can learn more about trading. It's very important that you understand and educate yourself absolutely for free how you can join it, bratans. Here, wait a minute, where is it? Here. It's the pinned comment down below. Make a registration on Bybit, create an account, 10 seconds, and deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and then you get a free access to my Discord, Telegram channel, and even on Bybit you can claim a bonus up to $30,030. It's everything written there. Just watch, link is down below. You don't want to miss out on this, bratans. And we made, by the way, amazing profits on some altcoins here, also 50%, 90%, 30%, 60%, 20%. This is amazing, bratans. Congratulations to everyone. And Ethereum, and the 12th, tomorrow is the Shanghai update. It will be very interesting, because usually we see a dump, right? But let's see. It depends how Bitcoin stabilizes, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.